Watch this Tap Essentials video to learn how to do a closed third, or it's also known as a 3-count riff. Three components: touch, heel dig, toe drop. Make 3 beats or sounds. Make sure you try that on both sides. Try doing that 4 times in a row. Practice time. Speed it up. Can you go a little faster? One more time, even faster. Salut! I will conquer this. Bonjour. I'm hoping so bad that lockdown and COVID restrictions will end by this summer, at least enough to allow me to travel. I really, really want to take a trip down into Paris. Since it's only a 2-hour train ride away, it'd be such a waste not to go see Paris. So, bonsoir.